Let me show you how we can enable and disable microphone for screen recorder on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you try to start recording the screen, you have the option to activate the microphone if you choose media and mic, and if you don't want to use the microphone, you can use either media or none. And of course, once you start recording, then there is pretty much no way to quickly turn on or turn off the microphone. However, what you can do is you can go to settings, and then over here we can scroll down in order to find advanced features. And then in advanced features, we're gonna go to screenshots and screen recordings. Now in here, of course, we actually have to completely stop the recordings to be able to manage screen recording settings. But in here we have the record sound option, and in here you can also decide if the microphone should be used or not. But it seems that unfortunately we cannot quickly turn it on or turn it off while or once we already started recording. Once we start recording, I mean. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.